Good morning, everyone. Welcome to one more session of our Vista's learning. Now, I hope everyone remember our motto, that is, always keep on learning. No matter what, it is not only from the book you learn from everywhere. And I hope you remember our vision, that is, it is not only right to education. We are striving hard to redefine this. It is right to quality education. And our services are V-Learning, VSMS. V-Learning, well, it's an online platform where you can find many animated concepts. VSMS, Vista School Management System, where you can track the students' progress. And you can also find us in our website, that is www.vlearning.in. We'll be going live both in our website and as well as in our YouTube channel, and the message which you chat in the VLearning website is encrypted. That is, only I'll be knowing your messages, and you can catch us in our Facebook page and Instagram page. For that, you can click on the description below over there. Now, let us come to our session. What have we dealt in the previous session? We have dealt, that is, MCQ problems. We have played with the 4 options over there. Now, it is time to revise the next 2 chapters, that is, multiplication and subtraction over there. Now, I hope you remember all the things which we have discussed, parts of multiplication, parts of subtraction, everything. Now, let us have a look. So, the first thing, so what is multiplication? Suppose I have told you regarding an example, that is, if you and your friends have finished something task. Now, after everything, you do something called as high five, right? Yes. So, that is nothing but multiplication concept. Ma'am, how is that? Yes. So, 5 and 5, that is 10 over there. But if you do, or if you convert that to multiplication, 5 into 2. Why 2? There are 2 hands involved over there. So, 5 into 2 will give me 10 over there. That is nothing but repeated addition gives me multiplication. Now, what is the sign? I hope you remember this sign. It is also called as into, and also it is called as cross over there. I hope you are able to see the picture over there. Multiplication is continuous repeated addition. Now, how about the next concept? Write the addition form and multiplication form for the following. So, addition form you have to write and multiplication form. So, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 3 leaves which are of 2 groups involved. Now, it is nothing but no need to sit and add. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No need to sit and add all those. Instead of that, you can write it as here 3 plus 3. So, this is addition form. Multiplication form, how do you write? It is 3 into. So, how many groups is involved? So, here 1 group and 1 group. So, 3 into 2 will give me 6 over there. I hope you are able to understand this and recall whatever we have dealt here. Now, 1, 2. So, here it is ice cream. So, mouth watering, right? Yes. So, now 1, 2, 3, 4. No need to sit and add all this also. So, here how many ice creams are there? So, here 2, 2, 2. So, it is 5 times. So, 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times and 5 times. Instead of this one, you can write it as, so in each group, how many ice cream we are speaking about? It is 2 into. So how many groups are there? I hope you are able to see the division over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 into 5. That gives me 10 over there. Now, how about the next one? It is duck. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, now it is 6 plus again it is 6. Instead of that, what can you write? So, in each group, how many ducks are there? So, 6 into. How many group is there? 6 into 2. That gives me 12 over there. How about the next one? There are butterflies over there. In each group, how many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many times you have to write? It is 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now, instead of this, how can you write? So, in each group, it is 5 into. Total, how many such groups are there? 1, 2, 3. So, total it is 3 groups. So, 5 into 3 will give me 15 over there. I hope you are able to understand the addition form and the multiplication form over there. Synonym. So, I hope you remember this one. So, synonym, this is nothing but what is the other words it might be. In the verbal problem, you might get times also and also of. So, now how do you convert this to multiplication? So I am moving fast because this is all the recollection part. Now 2 times 3. So 2 into 3, that gives me 6. So 4 times 6. So 4 into 6, that gives me 24. Now 5 times 2. So 5 into 2, that gives me 10. So now 3 times 7. So 3 into 7, that gives me 21. 8 times 2. So 8 into 2, that gives me 16. I hope you remember all these concepts, right? These are the questions directly taken from your textbook. So I hope you are doing along with me. Now, these are the parts of multiplication. You remember this, but this is just a recalling thing. So now, the first one, whatever it is. So suppose, let me consider 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. The first thing, that 2, 2, 2, everything is called as the multiplicand over there. The 1, 2, 3, 4, which is being multiplied, that is called as the multiplier. The final answers which you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that is called the final product or the final answer. That is what we have written over there. The number which gets multiplied is called as multiplicand, and the next, the number which multiplies, keep on multiplying. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 1's a table. All these are called as multiplier, and the final thing is called as the product over there. Now, this is an important note. I hope you remember this one. Now, whatever the table, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4, 5 1s are 5. The first one which is over there, there is something similarity in this. That is, whenever the number, if it is multiplied with the 1, you will be getting back the same number itself. That is what the first point says. So, 3 1s are 3. Yes, you will be getting back the same number. The second important point, any number multiplied with 0 will be giving me back the 0 itself. So suppose, let me consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, 9 into 0, whatever it is, let it be how much ever digits it is. So it is always 0 itself. So this 2 points you have to remember. This you might get in the 1 mark question. So any number multiplied with 0 is nothing but 0 itself. Now, we have seen something fun regarding 2 1s a table, 3 1s a table, and especially 9 1s a table. I hope you remember 2 1s a table. Suppose if you start writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But why are you writing just 2 numbers itself? Since it is 2 1s, I'm just writing 2 numbers. What if it is suppose 3 1s? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this goes on. And this also goes on. Suppose 4 1s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So make sure you write according to the digits over there. So since it is 2 1s a table, so whatever, if you consider the second number, all these are the product, that is the final answers of everything. Isn't it interesting? Yes. The same way with the 3 1s a table. So the final answers, the 3, 6, 9 and this goes on. The final answers are the final product of 3 1s a table. Now, there is something more interesting regarding 9 1s a table. What is it? I hope you know this one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, where you have ended up 9, start there itself from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You will be getting the entire 9 1s a table. So, no need to by heart. So, that is what we have written. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again from the bottom. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, you will be getting the entire 9 1s a table. So, this is more funny thing about 9 1s a table. Now, since we have solved all the theoretical concepts, now we'll be solving small problem, that is verbal problem. 6 pairs of bangles and 2 bangles in each pair. How many bangles are there? So final thing. So this is direct question. We have solved this. So I am moving pretty fast. So 6 into 2. So 6 2s are 12. That is nothing but it is 12 bangles over there. So 6 pairs, just now we have solved regarding the butterflies, duck example. Same way, 6 2s are 12 over there. How about this one? 4 bunches and next 6 grapes in each one. So 4 bunches, I hope you are able to see the picture over there. 4 bunches and what is the thing next? 6 grapes. So 4 6 are 24. So 24 grapes. Now, if suppose the question is more, that is if the question is asked for more marks, 2 marks or 3 marks, make sure that you write in the statement form itself. If it is just for 1 mark, you can write the answer directly. If it is for 2 marks, make sure you write in the statement form. So that is 6 pair of bangles, what is the number of pair, etc. I hope you know the statement. If not, go back to the previous session and have a look. Now find the product. I hope you know how to multiply this. Units place to units place. Again units place to tens place over there. So now 4 twos are units place to units place. So 4 twos are 8 and next 4 ones are 4. Ma'am, I know 12 ones a table. If you know 12 ones a table, well, this might be time consuming. You can write directly over there. How about this one? 22 into 4. So now units place to units place to tens place. 4 twos are 8. Again 4 twos are 8. So this is my answer. How about this one? 50 into 2. So now 2 into 0, again 2 into 5. So this is where the important point comes into existence. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10. So that is nothing but 100 over there. Ma'am, I know 51s at 50. Okay, you can write it directly, not a problem. Now, a flower has 5 petals. So these are the important problems. That is why I have taken it once again. So total there are 25 flowers in a vase. How many petals are there in all? So total you have to calculate how many petals are there. Well, my slide is moving to the next. Let me take my pen once again. So now 25 into 5. So in each flower there are 5 petals. Well, if you sit and calculate 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is very much time consuming. So again we are calculating, that is, it is not 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it is directly multiplying. So now 5 into 5 will give me 25. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, and next 5 2s are 10 plus 2, that is nothing but 125 petals. I hope you are able to analyze this one. Why? Because it is not repetitive addition. It is just the multiplication of whatever the petals over there. Now, Vikas is reading. So, this is one of the subtraction chapter question. Now, Vikas is reading a novel containing 325 pages. He had already finished reading 224 pages. How many more pages still he has to read? Now, suppose if, let me tell you, I am giving something called as test. Okay, there are 10 pages to read over there and you have finished 8 pages. Still, how many pages is left? Yes, it is just 2 pages. Why? Because, ma'am, it is single digit number, I am able to calculate easily. But here it is 3-digit number. If it is 3-digit number, what are the place values? Units, tens, hundreds. So now, the same way is over here, but it is over 3-digit. You have to subtract from greater digit to smaller digit. So greater digit is, that is bigger number, 325, and next it is 224. Make sure while writing the second number, it has to be always 3-digit. What if it is suppose 2-digit over there? You have to start from the units place. This you have to make sure. Since it is 3-digit, I am starting from the starting itself. Now, 5 minus 4, that gives me 1, and 2 minus 2, that gives me 0, 3 minus 2, that gives me 1. So, number of pages Vikas has to read is 101 pages over there. So, from here, subtraction concepts are coming into existence. Now, there is an important word. I hope you remember all this. It is from. Solve 572 from 978. Whenever the question is given on from, you have to make sure that the last number comes to first number. That is, it has to be the first one. So, last number is 978. So, 978. What is the next number? 572. If it is 2-digit, make sure that you start from the units place itself. What is the place values? Units, tens, hundreds. Now you have to subtract the thing. So 8 minus 2, that gives me 6. 7 minus 7, that gives me 0. And 9 minus 5, that gives me 4 over there. So your answer is 406. I hope you know the verification. If not, you are not sure about the answer, add up the lower number and the answer. You will be getting back the final answer. Now, subtraction in expanded form. This is one of the very important thing. Ma'am, it is same as the previous problem itself. Yes, but here expanded form you have to do. How to do in expanded form? You have to expand according to the place values being given. So what is the place values? What is the first one? It is from over there. Make sure you write the first thing. So it is directly I am writing 370 and 6. What is the next one? It is 200 and next 50 and 8. Now, there is one important thing involved. Can you subtract 6 minus 8? No, no matter, you might take the borrowing thing. 1. But what if this becomes the 69? Is it becoming 69? No. Since we are expanding the entire tens place value, this directly jumps to 60 over there. So now I hope you are able to understand this one. So no matter we are taking only one, but since it is expanded form, this directly jumps to the below tens place value. So 60 minus 8 will give me 8. So now this becomes, this is not 69. Many students will do the mistake over here. This becomes 60. Now 60 minus 50 will give me 10. 300 minus 200 will give me 100. Ma'am, what is this such a big number? Okay, since it is expanded form, keep on adding it. 100 plus 10 plus 8. So what is the number you are going to get? 118. So if you subtract normally also, you will be getting the same answer. I hope you are able to understand this. So this is one of the important thing. If suppose there is a borrowing thing, the entire place value. So if it is, if suppose if you are taking from this side, so this becomes 200 and not 299. Now, how about the next one? Parts of subtraction. So, in the parts of multiplication we have learned. Now, parts of subtraction. So, that is nothing but minuend, subtrahend, difference. So, the first one, let me take one example. 5 minus 4. That gives me 1 over there. So, this first one is called as minuend. The 4 is called as subtrahend. And the final thing, the answer is called as difference over there. I hope you remember all these concepts. Now, framing problems. What is framing problems? So, you have to frame according to the subtraction concept. Now, how do you frame this one? Ma'am, it is so easy. Okay, you can frame 80 minus 1. That gives me 79. So, now for 80 number, how much I have to subtract such that I'll be getting 79 over there. Now, how about the next one? If you want, you can do, or otherwise you can leave it over there. Now, since it is the revision part, so this is an homework part for you. How about 180? 180, how do you do this one? So, 180 framing by using the subtraction concept. So now let me take 200. You can take any number, but make sure that you subtract correctly. How much I should subtract such that I'll be getting 180 back. So it is minus 20. I'll be getting 180 over there. I hope you are able to recall all the framing problems. Now, estimation. So, this is almost the last concept of your entire subtraction chapter. Estimating the difference. Find the estimation of the difference. So, what is the difference? So, now it is 24 and 1 is 11 over there. So, it is okay, ma'am, I'll just subtract 24 minus 11. No, since the word is on estimation. So, now you have to make sure that you go according to the number line concept. So, what is the estimation of 24? I am writing directly because this is already been discussed. Now, 24 estimation, which is near to the tens place value. So, is it falling between 20 to 30? No matter. But it is near to 20. Since there is only 4 intervals over there. Can you take 30? No, there are 6 intervals far. So, which is near to the tens place value? It is 20. How about 11? So, now for the 11, it is very easy. Just the one interval, that is 10. So, now it is 10. 20 minus 10. So, since it is difference, I hope you are remembering the word difference. So, 20 minus 10, that gives me 10 over there. How about the estimated difference between 55 and 60? So, this is where most of the students do the mistake. They'll take it as 50 itself. No, if it is the exact fifth division or the fifth interval, you have to take the next succeeding one. So, that is nothing but 60 minus. So what is the next succeeding one? So it is near to 10 or yet it is near to 20. Well, if it is 20, it is just near 4 intervals over there. So now it is 20 over there. So what is 60 minus 20? That gives me 40 over there. I hope you are able to understand all this concept. So what have we discussed? We have discussed n number of things. So yes, that is in multiplication, parts of multiplication, and also the subtraction thing, that is the parts of subtraction. I hope the session was very interesting. Now for more such interesting sessions, you have to please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. That would be a great support for us. You can find us in our both Facebook page and as well as on Instagram page. For that, you have to click the description below over there, and we'll be going live both in our website, that is www.vlearning.in, and also our YouTube channel. The message which you chat in the www.vlearning.in, that is all encrypted. Only I'll be knowing the messages. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class. But hold on. What is that? Yes, it is just playing with the 4 options MCQ of these 2 chapters. See you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.